Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So I am back with another Leetcode Daily Challenge and it is Leetcode number 1675. Minimize deviation in array. It is a hard level problem and I also feel the same. And it is quite interesting problem. It takes some mathematical concept, okay, mathematical observation unit. Okay, so let's go through the question. So you are given an array nums of n positive integer. You can perform two type of operation on any element of the array any number of time. Okay, so there are, as we know, there are only even number and odd number. Only two type of numbers are there. So you can only divide an even number by 2. Okay, and you can only multiply a odd number by 2. Okay, so these 2 points are basically the same, and the deviation is the maximum difference between any two element in the array. Okay, so if you see here in the first example, 1 2 3 4, we divide the 4, as 4 is a even, we divide it by 2, so it get 2. And similarly this one is odd number, so we will multiply it by 2, so it will be, the array change to 2 2 3 2, and the difference is maximum and minimum, which is 1. Okay, so you need to return the minimum deviation. You have to perform such operation that the maximum and the minimum element, okay, will have a minimum difference. Okay, so the basically this question reduced to, you have to convert this array with this condition, and make the maximum and minimum element as close as possible. Okay, and then return the difference. Similarly this example will give you 3, and this example will give you again 3. Then the constant is n can go up to 10 to the power 5. Okay, and every element of nums within the range of integer. Okay, so you don't need to take care of long. Okay, so let me explain you an example, like what is the approach and what we are going to do. So it is the, I will take this example 4 1 5 20 and 3. Okay, so it is, just a second, it is 4, it is 4 1 5 20 5 20 and 3. Okay, so first, and you only odd number only get multiplied, odd number will only get multiplied by 2, and even number you can only divide by 2. Okay, only divide by 2. So one thing which I observed, like it is very important to observe. Okay, like if you have an odd number, let's say 1 or 3, anything, if you just simply multiply it by 2, it will give you a even number. Okay, so this will be 3 2, this will be again 2, and 2 1 is 2 and 3 2 is 6. Okay, then you cannot perform a divide operation on this. Okay, then you cannot perform a multiplication operation, sorry. Then this number can change to even, so you can only perform divide by 2, and if again you do divide by 2, it will get this number again. Okay, so so what we are going to do. Okay, so first of all, okay, so then there is a second observation, like if you have a big number like this 20. Okay, and you try to divide it by 2, it can be divided as many time as until you cannot get a odd number. Okay, so it will be now get changed to 10, then again we can divide it by 2, it will change to 5. So we cannot predict how many time we have to divide a number. Okay, a even number to get a odd number. Okay, to reduce it. But if you try to if you multiply the odd number, we can say that it will only, we have to do it one operation. Okay, only just one time we have to multiply. So we will take some advantage from these points. So first of all, what I will do, I will push all this element inside a set. So I will take a set. Okay, and then I just put all this element inside the set. Okay, but I will do this operation first, because you cannot handle these operations simultaneously. So you have to consider first operation, means any one of them at first, then do the second one in the next step. Okay. So as I told you, we don't know how many times we have to divide a number, even number. So I will take the odd number and try to do it in convert it into even number. Okay, so I will do the same. So first of all, okay, I have taken a set. Okay, so in the set, what I will do, I will put all the even number by its multiplication. So 1 into 2, it's get as it is a set. Okay, so I am it will give you an answer in ascending order. Okay, so I am just doing the same. So first of all, if I take the 1, so 1 get 2, then okay, so then I think 4 will come. Yeah. Then 3 will be 6, 5 will change to 10, and 20 as it is. Okay. I just multiply all the odd number with 2. Okay. Now what I will do, I will take the difference, okay, of these two, and I just only keep track of these two, the first element and the last element. Why? Because we need the maximum and the minimum element. Okay, so here one thing you need to observe, like if I do divide by 2 operation, again I just reducing this number. So if I reduce this number, as you see, it is a even number, it is not a odd number. Okay, so you can only divide it. So when you divide it, the difference of this of greater number and the less number will be more. Okay, because if I draw a small number line here, so if this is 2, okay, this is the 2, this is 20. Okay, so if I divide this number by 2, it will be 1. So you can see that clearly that this difference is going to increase. Okay, so what I will do, I will divide only this 20. Okay, means this end element. So as I told you, it is a set, so all the number are get sorted, so and all the number are unique. So if I perform a divide by 2 to the last operation, then it will be again 2, 4, sorry, then it is 6, then it is 10, then 20 divided by 2 is again 10, and both as said only store unique value. Okay, I will take a order set, so it will, I just keep I just take it only one time. Okay, so this will be again 10. Now again I take the last one, and I just as I want to reduce it, I just, again it is an even number, so I will do a divide by 2. So it is 2, 4, okay, it is 6, then it is 10 divided by 2, it is 5. So as it is a set, so it will be in sorted order, so it is 5, then it is 6. Okay, now again I will try to reduce the difference. Now my greater element is 6, which is a even number. Okay, so I will again do the same thing. Okay, I just divided by 2, so it will be again 8 divided by 2, it's 3, so it is in sorted, so here comes 3, then 4, then 5. Now you can see that it is an odd number, and if I do what we can do with the odd number, we just simply multiply it by 2. But as I told you, it will again, if here it is 5, then if you multiply it by 2, the difference will get increase. Okay, so this point, okay, so the point when you getting this element, this last element as an odd number, you have to break the loop. Okay, we will perform all this step in the loop. Okay, this division step in the loop, so you have to break it. Now you can see that there are some certain values which can be odd number. Okay, like even number, like this 4 and this 2, but we cannot divide it, because as we will divide it, the range again get increase. Okay, but we want to reduce our range, so we have to take care of it, this. Okay, that's why this approach is the correct approach. Okay, so I hope you understand why this is going to work. Okay, so this is the complete approach, and I told you to take a set because performing this operation in a set is quite easier. Okay, so let me show you the code to get a better understanding. Okay, so I have done the same thing. I just take a mean element, then max element, and just take out the minimum and maximum and take its difference. Okay, then I put all the element in the set. As I told you, if it is an odd number, I just multiply it by 2, and if it is an even number, then I just simply put it inside the set. After that, I take the this r begin will give you the pointer to the last element of the set. Okay, so I just dereference it, and again this s dot begin will give you the pointer to the first element of the in the set. So I again dereference it, and I take out the difference. I try to minimize it. Then again I will perform this while loop. Okay, then I take out one element from the back, and I just remove that element, and I just want to reduce the as I told you, I want to reduce the difference, so I will perform divide by 2 as, and I do the same thing. Then again I take a difference, and I just perform this operation again. Okay, the minimum element and the maximum element, and whenever we just got our last element as a odd number, I just break through the loop. So this condition is that. Okay, until you get a even number, you just perform this step, and finally I just return my differences. Okay, so I hope you understand it. So let me submit the code. Okay, it is accepted, and hope you enjoy the video and you understand these concepts. So basically this problem is totally based on some observations we need to take care. Okay, so hope this video will help you. So I will see you tomorrow. Till then, goodbye.